everybody, welcome to Cooking with Viperpixel 3. So, today we'll be cooking Clif Bars. So let's get right into this. So, the ingredients are chocolate chips, Quaker Oats, and Rice Krispies. Also, oil, any soy, any kind. So, we have a replacement for everything besides the oats. So let's do the replacement for the chocolate chips. So what you're gonna need are chips and Nesquik. You're also gonna need a bowl. So what you're gonna need to do also, you need a freezer. You need to do is get a spoonful, another spoonful. Remember, there'll be a lot less than you would expect because it all has to combine into one small space. Okay, so remember that. Now we can take chips. Find the right size one. Place it right on top. So, let's go over to the freezer. So now we need to put it in the freezer. Take it, put it in the freezer. So we're going to leave it for an hour.
1 hour later.
So, it's been an hour. Look at this. Remember, they're all compounded to a small space, so it may not look like there's much, and there's still dust, so you didn't get maximum chocolate chips. So now we got the chocolate chips. Put those to the side for now. Let's make the replacement for the Rice Krispies. So you're gonna need the rice, a bowl. So what you're gonna need to do, take the rice and put in a decent amount into the bowl. Depends on how much you're making. So now let's go over to the microwave. So now we're at the microwave. We'll put these in the microwave for like a minute plus. Okay, it's been a minute, but I missed it, so, hot. So, now I'll tell you the replacement recipe for the oil. I'll specifically tell you because we don't have the ingredients. You take water and put black dye in it. We don't currently have black dye, that's why I can't show you. So now we have this done. So, let's cook the final product. For this, we need a bowl, oats, oil, that thing, and chocolate chips. So, I'm going to use this. I'm going to put that much in. Okay, so next I'll put in chocolate chips. Rice Krispies. I would prefer less, so I'll just take some out. And the oil. So now we're going to take this, stir it up a bit. Put it back in the microwave. So now, we're going to take this, put it in for 2 minutes. So, I got it, and I missed the timer again. Let's go back over. So now we have a Clif Bar. So, because the Clif before we can go to the list. So, box. Empty box. I hope you could see that. Put the Clif Bar in. Take a piece of paper. Crumple it up to your heart's content. Take it. Close it. Now, shake it for a minute.
1 minute later.
And then leave it for an hour. See you in an hour.
1 hour later.
It's been an hour! So, it's been an hour. Now, don't ask how all the color appears. Don't know how it's wrapped. But now we have a Clif Bar. So, I think the shaking wraps it, and then the leaving it out because it's in a box and because it's paper, Clif Bar in a box and it's wrapped. It just cut in the box colors it. So we have one other, and as you can see, you can make as many as you want. We have 2 others. So yeah, that was our recipe for making chocolate chip Clif Bars, my favorite. What? Just have it. Take it. Take it. You're missed.